Welcome to the Chandra lectures of the sciences. This is a lecture that's done by Chandra. Today we're going to talk about the brain and a book that was written about the brain titled Connectomes, and it's by Sebastian Seung, who is a professor currently at Princeton University. Very interesting book indeed. So the first premise in the book is the introduction. And in the introduction, there's a conversation about that each day we recall the past, perceive the present, and imagine the future. Later in the chapter, he talks about the 4 R's that are affected by your experiences and your genes, including the reweighting, reconnections, and rewiring, and regeneration. Later in the chapter, he talks about the theory of the book, which is you are more than your genes. You are your connectome. End quote. Case study. C. elegans, 12 years for 7,000 connections. Human brain, 100 billion times larger. 100 million times more connections than the letters in the genome. You are the activity of your neurons. They encode your thoughts, feelings, and perceptions, according to Seung. Challenges in connectomes. Number 1, finding connectomes. Number 2, understanding what they mean. Number 3, develop new methods of changing them. And he talks about phrenologists who have found that minds differ because brains differ using brain imaging, but do not attempt to explain how the regions perform their functions. The size of the brain and its regions remain almost orthogonal to the mental properties of the person. Connections-ism is another field that has never managed to become real science, according to Seung, because neuroscientists have lacked good techniques for mapping the connections between the neurons. Also, ideas cannot be evaluated experimentally. Later, he talks about finding many connectomes and compare it to understand how minds differ. Later, he goes on to talk about connectopathies, which are abnormalities of the neural connectomes connectivity underlying mental disorders. So that's it.